Good morning, kids. I hope you all are keeping fit and fine. Now, in the last two sessions, you have learned three topics. That is, parts of body, sense organs and clothes. So, in today's session, we will revise all the three topics quickly and then we will get into the solution of worksheet. Now, let us learn about the parts of body with the help of this picture. So, this is head, eyes, two ears, mouth, nose, neck, arms, hand, fingers, stomach, leg, foot and toes. Eyes. We see different things with the help of our eyes. Nose. We smell different fragrance with the help of our nose. Ears. We hear different sounds with the help of our ears. Tongue. We taste different things with the help of our tongue. Skin. We feel things with the help of our skin. Clothing. We wear clothes to cover and protect our body as well as to look smart and beautiful. Let us learn about some of the clothes. Cap, shirt, t-shirt, pant, short, frock, skirt, socks. Now, let us solve the worksheet. Now, in this worksheet, we will match the given objects with its related sense organs. To start with, we will take rose. Now, what helps us in smelling a rose? Yes, our nose helps us in smelling the fragrance of a rose. So, we will match rose with nose. The second object is ice cubes. Now, how do we come to know that the ice cubes are cold? Yes, we feel it with our skin. So, we will match the ice cubes with hand. The third object is TV. Now, what helps us in watching a TV? Our eyes helps us in watching the TV. So, we will match TV with eyes. The fourth object is drum. Now, what helps us in hearing the drum beat? Our ears helps us in hearing the drum beats. So, we will match the drum with ear. The last object is ice cream. Now, what helps us in tasting an ice cream? We taste things with the help of tongue. So, we will match ice cream with tongue. In this way, we will solve this worksheet. Now, let us start solving this worksheet where we have to match the body parts with its related clothes. So, we will take the first picture, that is of legs. Now, what do we wear on our legs? Yes, we wear pants on our legs. So we will match it with pants. The next picture is of neck. Now what do we wear on our neck? We wear scarf on our neck. So we will match it with scarf. The third picture is of head. Now what do we wear on our head? We wear cap or hat on our head. So we will match it with hat. The fourth picture is of hands. Now what do we wear on our hands? We wear gloves on our hands. So we will match hands with gloves. The last picture is of feet. Now what do we wear on our feet? We wear socks on our feet. So we will match feet with socks. In this way, we will solve this worksheet. I hope you all are clear about the concept of parts of body, sense organs and clothes. And also you must have enjoyed the activities which we did in these 3 sessions. Now keep practicing at home and stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.